Alright guys, what is up and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. So if you guys see here, we got sent a bed cover. So this is actually a trifold bed cover, plastic bed cover, sent from OEDRO. And guys, we're going to get this bad boy put on and we're going to test it out, see what it looks like. I think y'all are really going to enjoy this review and really going to enjoy this bed cover. I think it'll be a good option for a lot of you guys that want something a little bit more protective than just the roll-up covers, but not quite as much as just a hard painted cover. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, guys, excuse the mess, but we've got this bed cover put on in less than 30 minutes, guys. It's super clean, super easy install. Let me lay down on the bed here, guys. So this is just a handle. That's how that works. There's one on each side. And guys, up front, there's a metal clamp with a turn dial. You just get them hand tight. You don't want to over tighten these. On these bed caps, a lot of people will trim them out. On the F150s, I noticed that the bed caps normally come down to about the same as the metal bars. You don't have much issues with fitment. Guys, look at this. I always think that's so cool. I have to put lights in there. That way you can definitely make sure you see what you're doing and everything. You guys got those up front, you got those in the back. This is my only complaint. I wish there was one in the middle, but other than that, I mean, it'd just be another thing you'd have to do if you went to flip it over. So I understand why there's not. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. It's just my peace of mind. I prefer one. Another one, guys, other than that, it seems like a very sturdy bed cover. It doesn't seem like it's going anywhere at all. Guys, I think this is my favorite part, is the fact that it has this LED bar in the back of it. And guys, give me just a second. We'll give you guys a run through and see how that bad boy works. There we go. Guys, check that out. Is that not clean? Close the tailgate here so we can see this. Look at that, guys. That's sharp. I really like that. I like the sleek look of how it lays down flat on the bed. And guys, I do give you some weather stripping to put on your tailgate here. We definitely don't have the let down assist on this bad boy. But anyway, guys, bed cover is looking great. On the install, it's really all you need to know is don't over tighten your clamps down there. Just make sure you get it faced the right way, set it down on the bed, unfold it, and get it lined up where you want it. Clamp it down, and guys, you are good to go. They do actually give you some spare parts. One thing I thought was really good, or really nice, so they give you some hinge plugs just in case they were to come out, and they also give you a spare handle for these. They give you a spare handle for these just right here, and mainly what that's for is just over time, I'm sure these probably get brittle, just like all plastics, and they might end up breaking on you, or if you have it a little too tight. So it's, you know, they kind of give you a spare part, just kind of be a little bit generous on that. That's something I really think is cool. You guys here, they do send you a good installation guide on this bad boy. And guys, let's talk about this light bar, or the tailgate bar, and see how it works. So it's actually a little bit different than most tailgate bars. Most tailgate bars are just going to come with a 4-way plug, and you have to plug them in. This one don't, and I kind of like it. It still is a 4-way plug, but it works a little bit different than most. So I like how they send you a standalone harness that plugs into the back of your trailer lights. And of course, you have another piggyback up here, but in the back of your trailer lights. And then you plug, this has a 4-way coming off of it. And the 4-way from the bed actually comes down between the bed and the cab. And you just route it through the back of the truck. Plug this 4-way in right here. And guys, there you go. You got lights. You got brake lights and blinkers. No reverse lights, no running lights, but brake lights and blinkers. And guys, look how smooth that looks. I think it's a look I really like. I've always liked the sleek bed covers. I've never liked anything too bulky. But guys, this is definitely gonna make your truck come together and look great. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll catch you on the next one.